Hello everyone, welcome. Today, we'll explore some common treatments for dry cough. But before we dive into that, let's first understand what exactly dry cough is. What is dry cough? A cough is essentially a reflex action that helps clear your airway of irritants and mucus. There are two types of cough, productive and non-productive. A productive cough produces phlegm or mucus, clearing it from the lungs, whereas a non-productive cough doesn't produce phlegm or mucus. This type of cough is commonly referred to as dry cough. Now, let's explore the common causes of dry cough. What are the causes of dry cough? Airway hyperresponsiveness stands out as a primary cause of dry cough. Additionally, conditions such as GERD, post-nasal drip, and viral infections can trigger dry cough. Less common factors include environmental irritants, ACE inhibitors, whooping cough, collapsed lung cancer, and heart failure. Now, let's delve into the treatment options for dry cough. Honey for dry cough. The initial remedy to consider for dry cough is honey. Honey possesses antibacterial and wound-healing attributes. Moreover, it can form a protective layer in the throat, mitigating irritation, discomfort, and inflammation. Thus, it proves beneficial for alleviating both daytime and nighttime coughing. You can consume honey by the teaspoon several times throughout the day, or incorporate it into tea or warm water for consumption. However, it's crucial to remember that honey should never be given to infants under 1 year old. This precaution is essential due to the rare but serious risk of infant botulism or floppy baby syndrome, which can result from the ingestion of bacterial toxins present in honey. Nonetheless, honey poses no harm to older children and adults. Saltwater gargle for dry cough. Another option to contemplate is gargling with warm salt water. This straightforward yet highly effective home remedy involves rinsing your mouth with a solution of warm salt water. The salt aids in drawing out mucus from your irritated and inflamed tissues, providing relief from discomfort and scratchiness in the throat. To prepare the solution, simply add approximately 1/4 teaspoon of salt to lukewarm water. Repeat the salt water gargling process several times throughout the day for optimal results. Humidifier to treat cough. Activate the cool mist humidifier to elevate the moisture level in your room. If you don't have a humidifier, you can still find relief by indulging in a hot shower. The steam from the warm shower helps to loosen the mucus and can provide moisture and soothing relief to your sore throat. Alternatively, you can inhale steam from hot water in any container. Ginger for dry cough. Ginger offers significant benefits for dry coughs. It can suppress the cough reflex by easing the tension in the airway's smooth muscles. Moreover, its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties provide relief from pain and discomfort. Studies have indicated that gingerol, a compound found in fresh ginger, can inhibit airway inflammation, which can trigger symptoms like coughing in conditions such as asthma. Ginger is commonly found as an ingredient in many teas, or you can prepare ginger tea by steeping ginger root, either peeled or cut, in warm water. Adding honey can enhance its effectiveness for dry coughs. However, it's essential to note that excessive consumption of ginger may lead to stomach upset, heartburn, or diarrhea. Thyme. Next, let's delve into thyme. It harbors a compound known as thymol, which is thought to possess antispasmodic properties, aiding in the relaxation of the throat's smooth muscles. Thyme is safe for occasional use. You can brew thyme tea by steeping 3 to 4 teaspoons of the dried herb in 250 milliliters of boiling water. Adding honey can augment its effectiveness in relieving coughs. However, it's crucial to note that consuming thyme essential oil is not recommended, as it may lead to a potentially severe drop in blood pressure. Marshmallow roots. Marshmallow, an herb utilized in cough syrups and lozenges, serves to alleviate dry cough. Research has shown its efficacy in soothing the throat and alleviating irritation induced by dry cough. Additionally, marshmallow roots possess antibacterial properties. Peppermint, containing menthol, aids in numbing nerve endings in the throat, which are aggravated by coughing. This can offer pain relief and diminish the urge to cough. Peppermint. Peppermint is also effective in alleviating congestion. You can opt for peppermint lozenges or peppermint tea. If you're experiencing nighttime cough, consuming peppermint tea just before bedtime can be beneficial. Antitussive medications function by suppressing the cough reflex. Cough medications. This reduces the urge to cough, making them particularly advantageous for dry coughs. Some formulations contain codeine and are accessible only with a prescription. Other over-the-counter medications typically contain active ingredients like dextromethorphan, camphor, or menthol. Dextromethorphan acts as a cough suppressant by influencing the brain signals that trigger the cough reflex. However, it's important to note that dextromethorphan will not alleviate coughs caused by smoking, asthma, or emphysema. Dry coughs can be bothersome, especially when they persist for an extended period. If you're unsure of the underlying cause, consult your doctor to determine the most effective treatment. In the meantime, a combination of home remedies and over-the-counter medications can offer some relief. For more informative videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.